What's up, Sin City Food family? It's your favorite food review channel, Sin City Food Reviews. I'm JT.
I'm Brenda.
And we got a special episode today. It is Mom's birthday, and we're going to, I can't pronounce it, it's OHJAH, Japanese Steakhouse, Oja. We'll find out how to pronounce it. It's off Rainbow and Smoke Ranch in that area. Mom's birthday. Let's go check it out, guys. Oya opened in June of 2010 and soon became a favorite restaurant within Las Vegas and Pahrump. This place had an extensive cocktail menu. You could tell all the sangrias right there, and the prices were definitely reasonable. I know for a fact they have a huge sake menu of shots, of cold ones, of hot ones, carafes. You can get the small ones, you can get the large ones, and they were very reasonable priced.
We didn't come here for the drinks, we came here for the hibachi.
Nah, Mom, we gotta talk about the drinks just a little bit more. Check out this Sierra Nevada bottle I picked up for $3.
All hibachi meals include onion soup and a house salad.
If you have not been to a hibachi restaurant, you're missing out. This chef was awesome. They do all kinds of cool things with their spatulas. They put on a little show for you. Not only do they cook the food, but they definitely put on a heck of a show.
Over here, Mom, what you want, a big fire, small fire?
Big fire.
Okay, that's what
Big
she said.
fire.
We go big fire going this way.
Yeah.
You ready? You asked for it, right?
Big fire.
There you go again. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, big fire.
Cheers to Mom on her birthday, to many more blessed years.
My favorite, pork fried rice. I ordered the New York strip medium. It was cooked perfect, but a little gristly in spots.
I ordered the chicken, and all hibachi comes with stir-fry vegetables. My whole meal was great, and I gave it a 4.5 out of 5.
Oh yeah, surprised me with the birthday cheesecake. It made my whole night. I would highly recommend.
We are Sin City Food, and you have been reviewed.